Excuse me, what did you say? Forget it. How do you pronounce that? How do you say it in English? How do you spell it? How do you spell the word Seattle? I can swim. I can't hear you clearly. I don't mind. I don't speak English very well. I don't think so. I don't understand what you're saying. I think you have too many clothes. I trust you. I understand now. Is there air conditioning in the room? Let's meet in front of the hotel. Please sit down. Please speak English. Please speak more slowly. Sorry, I didn't hear clearly. That means friend. That's wrong. Try to say it. What does this mean? What does this say? What does this word mean? What's the exchange rate? Whose book is that? Why are you laughing? Why aren't you going? Why did you do that? Are you allergic to anything? Are you ready? Call me. Did you send me flowers? Do you sell batteries? I don't care. I give up. I got in an accident. I have a cold. I have one in my car. I made this cake. I still have a lot of work to do. I still haven't decided. I'm a teacher. I'm self-employed. It depends on the weather. It's very cold today. My luggage is missing. My stomach hurts. My throat is sore. My watch has been stolen.